everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a Hydrocolloid bandages roll. So it's a roll of bandage. Let's go check this out. Show you what we got. So we have a big roll of like that sticky silicone kind of bandage, like that. That's what it is. So it's there, and so you'll put it on there, and then the sticky part will come off here, and you'll be left with like a silicone bandage. So great for like putting over scars or something like that. I'm not gonna completely do it right now because I'm not using it, but look at that, it's got a big nice long roll of it. So this is good for, you know, just putting over stuff and kind of seals it and everything in, so it makes it kind of waterproof. So I had some neck surgery the other day, could have used it when I went in the pool and just put some on there to kind of keep it waterproof. But cool little item here, I like it. So this is it here, right there, thumbs up.